Hello everyone, it's Nanda. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I want to share the 4th of July decorations that I made. They turn out super cute. Starting right now with the cardboard 4th of July wreath. So I use red, white, and the blue yarn. I braided them and then I glue with the hot glue. So in here I have fabric flowers and a fabric flower on the top of the ribbon as well. This is just super cute. I did not have a 4th of July cardboard wreath, so I decided to make one for this year and I just love it. So here I have the fireworks that I create. So I use cardboard tubes in here. So on the bottom I glue pieces of chipboard. Inside I have styrofoam to make this even more sturdy, and then I braided the yarn and then I glue all around the cardboard tubes, and then I have these little things in here. So it turned out super cute. I just love it. And in here I have these 2 flower pots that I use fabric flowers to create them. So the fabric flowers turn out super cute. I already made this type of decor here on my channel before. So I use a condensed milk can. On the bottom I glue 2 pieces of chipboard in here. First I glue a small one and then I glue another one that goes all around. I braided the jute and then I glue in here using hot glue. Inside I glue a piece of fabric. I added styrofoam, green moss, and this beautiful green in here, and then I glue the flowers on top of that. So I glue the buttons in here on top of the flowers, and for this one I use it in enamel dots. So blue, white, and red flowers turn out super cute. So here is the other one as well. I just love it's just simple and cute crafts to decorate for 4th of July. If you like this video, please give this video a like. If you're not subscribed yet to my channel, please do. I would love to have you here. And thank you so much for watching. Bye!